Welcome civil engineers, learn faster with civil engineering tips. Today we are going to learn about this erase command, explode command and the offset command. Erase simply means deleting. Okay, I'll draw a line here. Okay, and copy these lines. Copy these lines to various number of lines. Now simply select this object, erase. Select, erase. So you can also select object, delete. Select object, delete. Select, delete, select, delete. Okay, you can do rectangle. Okay, copy this object, multiple copies, clicking it, or select it. Simply delete, or you can select and erase. Okay, multiple copies anywhere you want, and select and type E in the keyboard, and you will see here erase. Okay, after selecting E space. Okay, shortcut. Okay, E space, Control Z, Control Y. Okay, select E space and it will delete. Select E space. Now okay, select, or you can simply type delete. Now going to explode. So explode means here, let's draw a rectangle. This rectangle is formed by the polyline. All these four lines are connected, so simply select and explode, and then the separate lines will be formed after exploding. Okay, and the shortcut command for explode is X. When you type X, you see here explode. Okay, X, enter. So I will join this line first, and then select object, X is X, pressing X in the keyboard and then spacebar. It will explode. Okay, now moving on to the offset bar, offset command. So okay, I will draw a rectangle, and then here is the offset command. So for you can click here, or you can simply type O for offset, shortcut key O, and then press enter or spacebar as usual. Okay, so and here specify offset distance. Look here in command line, specify offset distance. Okay, now I will take it as 5 feet. Okay, I will take it as 5 feet, and then select object to offset. Select object, and then okay, this is the big one, 5 feet. 5 feet, and again select the object and then feet. Okay, I'll repeat the command. Now we will select offset. Okay, O space, then offset distance, let's make it as 6 inches. Let's take it as 6 inches, and then select the object, and look here, after that you can see exit, multiple undo. If you have to make multiple offset of 6 inches, then you can choose M. Look here, blue highlighted letter. Okay, M, and then enter, press enter or space. Okay, I usually use space bar, so it is 6 inches and another 6 inches, 6 inches, 6 inches. You can take it here, dimension linear as well. Okay, distance here, distance between these, look at 6 inches. We are repeating this as 6 inches. Okay, this is how you offset. Okay, especially this offset is very useful in making the staircase plan. Hope you guys can use these 3 commands: eraser, explode, and offset. Okay, I suggest you guys to using the keyboard shortcut key for making drawings. Okay, like, share, and subscribe to Civil Engineering Tips for learning faster. Peace out.